To create this simple trigger design, you need to add a cube and then you need to scale it along the X and Y axis. Then go to the edit mode, use the knife tool and create this kind of cutout. With the help of knife tool, we can create 2D shape for the design. Then delete these faces. And then you need to add a few loop cuts like this and you need to adjust the position of the words to get the proper 2D shape. Creating first 2D shape is more easier and then converting it into 3D, that will be reduce our effort. Then select this edge and add a bevel on it. Add a 3 to 4 segment bevel and then adjust the position of the words to maintain the curve. Then select these edges and use the set flow on them. Then add few more loop cuts and use the set flow and try to get a proper curve at there. After that, use the insert operation. Then merge these overlapping words and then dissolve these edges. Then select everything and then take the symmetry. And then select this edge loop and right click bridge edge loop. Then scale it along the y-axis. Then select this edge loop and add a 1 segment bevel on it. Then add supporting loop cuts like this. Select this edge loop and add bevel on it and shape factor should be 1. Then select this edge loop and add a bevel on it. Then select this corner edges and then Ctrl B, add bevel on them. And then select these words and merge them at the center and then dissolve this edge. Then add 1 loop cut here and then use the knife tool and create a cut like this. Then add few more loop cuts. Then add the subd modifier. Then select these words and adjust their position and just try to get a proper curve at there. Then select this edge loop and add a 2 segment bevel on it. Then select that center edge loop and press Alt S to scale it along the normal. Then select these edge loops and add bevel on them. So we can get this kind of cavity detail. Then select these faces, use the insert operation and use the loop to circle option and create a simple looking circular detail at there. Then select these edge loops and add bevel on them. Select this face, delete it, select the edge loop and use the face grid fill. And in this way you can create this kind of simple looking trigger design. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. If you like this tutorial, then hit that like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Bye bye. So next video, take care.